Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which office you run and why it matters. Open PowerPoint, go to File, Account, About PowerPoint, and note 64-bit or 32-bit. Once you know bitness, locate the media that triggers the error and check its codec. PowerPoint favors H. 264 video and AAC audio. Make a quick backup of the file and the presentation so you can revert changes. This avoids data loss as you replace codecs or transcode media to a compatible format. You now decide whether to install a matching codec or to convert the media. If you use 64-bit Office, install a trusted 64-bit codec pack or individual codecs so PowerPoint can decode files. Choose a reputable vendor and only the required components. Alternatively, transcode the media to MP4 with H. 264 video and AAC audio using Handbrake or FFmpeg. This avoids codec dependencies. Once done, restart Windows and reopen PowerPoint so that you finish by updating Office and Windows so underlying media frameworks are current. Install Office updates and reboot. If the error continues, try opening PowerPoint in safe mode or create a fresh presentation and insert the converted file to rule out file corruption. Once done, verify playback on another machine. If things still go wrong, the single most reliable troubleshooting step is to convert the media to MP4H 264/AAC before inserting. This eliminates most codec mismatches and usually fixes the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.